There is a reason why the bulk of the world's population is impoverished. It's because they're not taught to be wealthy. They are unaware of the ideas that the wealthy already understand and apply in their daily lives. You could alter your life and become wealthy if you understood the principles of the wealthy. These techniques will still help you become wealthy and rich whether you read this in 20 years or 200 years. Step 1 of how to be rich: pay yourself first. The first rich principle is arguably the easiest to understand but the most difficult to apply. To begin building your wealth, you must first pay yourself. This may seem counterintuitive because when you receive your paycheck from your job, you are receiving money from your company, and it is yours. In actuality, your salary has already been deducted. Step 2 of the Rich Guide: boost your income. The second rule of the wealthy is to look for ways to boost your income. We attended school when we were young to study a variety of things. We get to pick the subjects we want to study as we get older. The impoverished don't finish their education. Instead, they work a job and live in the same place all their lives. The secret to success in life and financial security for the future lies in self-education and ongoing education. You will be able to rise above your natural limitations as you educate yourself further, gain wisdom, and develop your skills. When your skills do start to grow, you should use them effectively. You do this by applying your skills in a way that helps you to earn more money so that you can invest in your future. This is how the rich think. They buy investments that help them to buy other items that they desire. Step 3 of the Rich Guide: manage your expenses. Keeping tabs on your spending is the third rule of the wealthy. This idea teaches us to spend responsibly and live within our means. The first principle is the answer to this. The remaining 10% of your income is for paying yourself first, so be careful not to spend more than that. If your expenses total $1,000 per pay period, you are not earning any money and are simply living paycheck to paycheck, as do the majority of Americans. Expense reduction should be your main focus so you may increase your savings for future investments. Take time today to list out monthly expenses and get very detailed. Once you have a list of all the items you spend your money on, go through the list and figure what you can actually cut from your life to save more money for investment. I suggest cutting out as many expenses you can, almost to where it may actually start to hurt. The fourth step in the How to Be Rich series is to purchase the residence where you currently reside. Renting means that you are handing your money away to another person. Rent for the house you are currently renting could be $1,200 per month. The owner of the property does not operate in order to lose money. Thus, he most likely profits each month from the rent you pay. If your rent is $1,200 and your monthly costs total $900, you are sending him $300 of your income only to live in his house. A total of $3,600 or additional $300 might be in your bank account each year. Making passive income is the fifth step to getting rich. The most crucial skill you need to have if you want to know how to get wealthy is passive income. The key to passive income is working just once and receiving payments indefinitely. Learning to be wealthy requires learning how to make no money. The wealthy don't labor for pay. They invest in non-working assets because they generate income. I personally make investments in rental real estate. Even though I don't work, the passive income keeps rolling in thanks to my more than 30 homes. When you purchase one rental property, you ought to be generating a passive income of at least $250 a month. That is passive income of $3,000 per year. If you buy 10 properties making you $250 a month, you will make $2,500 a month in passive income. That's $30,000 a year in passive income. Insurance protects yourself from damages to the property the tenant causes and even liability issues from the tenant. Make your money work for you in step 6 of the rich list. Making your money work for you is the 6th rule of the wealthy. You are ready to consider what to do with your money once you have begun saving 10% of your salary and have reduced your spending to the point of pain. Spend your money on rental properties right now. Every day you possess those rental properties, you will earn money. Step 7 of the Rich Guide: prevent money losses. Avoiding financial loss is the 7th rule of the wealthy. Cut your spending till it aches after you have worked hard to save 10%, and then seek for a way to make your money work for you. Your money is in a secure investment for the future when you put it into rental homes. I prefer to make investments in companies that I have complete control over, and my company's rental real estate properties fall within this category. Since rental properties have the lowest risk and best return of any other investments, they are the major reason I invest in them. Change your mindset, change your life, and you will become wealthy. If you want to be wealthy, you must first learn how to become wealthy. More importantly, you must begin to think like the wealthy. Implement all of these ideas into your life, and you will discover how to become wealthy. Please give us a like and we will see you in the next video.